So for today's job is the shift linkage. Very common on these Corvettes. The shift linkage snaps or breaks from these points. From these points right there. I'll show you once I take the other one out. But in order to get to that, you have to drop the whole exhaust. Then you have to take all these little bolts under there. There's like a million of them. Then you can get to it. Just as I suspected. I don't know if you can see that real well. Well, right there. And that's where it got snapped off. You see? It's not making a connection no more. Bam. Found the issue, baby. I was right. And it's out, boys. This is the old piece right here. So I took a dump. And this is the new piece. Spanking brand new. And it's all done. Everything going back. Brand new one in. All the one out. Skid it. Yes, sir. All done. Reverse. Neutral. Forward. We got it.